Welcome by the Politricks watch. This is Sir P. Today I'm going to talk about Mr. Chin mechanic shop. Because right now it's lockdown. Lockdown already. May I have to ask the question, which one I want to inform from Mr. Chin? Which one I want to inform from Mr. Chin? The bad mind turn up. I'm going to talk about it. Because I get to understand say man I work in a area man. And on papers. Look like somebody called Jamaican ice. Jamaican ice pull up. Now we are here to say everything get put on pause. Many Jamaicans are stressed. Stressed out because Mr. Chin mechanic shop locked down and they were just getting used to the mechanic shop. Them just say we finally find one place so we can work on the crankshaft. And now it get locked down. Big war going. People are say, yo, love Mr. Chin a bad mind. People are saying Mr. Chin have to follow the same rules like everybody else. Well, today I'm going to tell you what I'm going. To that, the follow up. Before I go into that, I have a Patreon birthday shout out, a belated birthday shout out. This one goes out to Arkeen, aka God Sent on YouTube. You know, if you ask the question in Arkeen, which God? I'm going to ask in the comment section, so make sure you get ready to tell them in the comment section. Which God? Arkeen, I tell me, so look YouTuber right now, you say so much things where just open up the eyes, you know. Come like a big brother or somebody like an uncle or somebody where like a family where can show you certain things. Cause enough people not have them people, you know. You might take it for granted. I know someone having a big brother and a father and an uncle and them people. I won't take it for granted so you can just hear certain people say certain things and show you certain things. But some people don't have it. And that's the danger because them say it take a village to raise the child. But one moment in the village is full of other children. Let me say that one more time. Them say it take a village to raise the child. But what moment in the village is full of children. Now you have children and raise children and blind and lead blind. That's how enough people start get advice from dopey bots. Telling all the time someone have to be careful who they listen to. I can't tell me so like a 9-year-old son from me the local YouTuber. You know. When I say, Mommy, I listen to the local YouTuber. You can tell her about 87, you can tell her about 90. This is why I don't have to understand, you know. Anybody tell us you can do what them want, do and play what them want, play. Round Pitney, and Pitney for those know so them are Pitney. And nobody. That's nonsense, guy. Children soak up everything, good and bad. Imagine 9-year-old can break down what a 87 is, what a 90 is, what a 116 is. One day they listen to certain things, I watch certain things. And things say, well, I look up it that him for go hold in place. No, him ears them a work. And him eyes them a work. That is why the devils them start go down to the school early. Them start going to the school early, go pies the pit in their mind. And have a careful one put in front of the pit in them guy. When you see when your favorite rapper guy Kanye West come admit say him used to blow a male cousin saxophone cause he find one Sprat blues in his mother closet and then go practice where him see right in a Sprat blues from like 6-7 years old. Vile! Anybody tell you about yo, me just do more under and Pitney if you just know say my Pitney and just lock them ears and lock them ears because my Pitney. That person is vile. That's an LIQ. Once you do certain things, once you listen to certain things, once you watch certain things, you best believe that child. I so keen sitting, but I phone pitting them still. You know, nobody saying bad man if they pitting. So our Keen and our young prince, big up on himself. That's a come straight from the local YouTuber. I can move into the video now. So, confession time. Go on, speak up. Speak up, which one I want to inform by Mr. Chin? Which one I want to inform by Mr. Chin? Which one I want to inform by Sung Hoon and him friend them? Which one I want to inform by Meijing? You're vile. Which one I want to bad mind Mr. Chin if you make a next shop? Now I know what you're thinking to yourself. I can read your mind. You're thinking, well, look YouTuber, oh no, son of you. After all, you're bad mind and you're a big informer. So you fit the criteria. Well, my only response is Smarty force me. Smarty force me. They run in for Mr. Chin and check documents and find out say the man them want work in the mechanic shop about 10 or so man from me understand. Now on the papers, then on the legal documents to work in the area, man. Some Jamaican just say a bad mind them a fight against Mr. Chin because Mr. Chin a come take over the mechanic game and Mr. Chin finally I give them good customer service and Mr. Chin finally I give them good mechanic work and body shop work, left Mr. Chin alone. It's okay, mama. And some people have said, why should Mr. Chin be treated any differently? So I'm going to add my input on it right now. I would say, sometimes two things can be true at the same time. Definitely there's an element of getting rid of the competition. Definitely. That's why it happened at this time. When it blew up on all over the papers and all about the place and car line, people all asleep outside of Mr. Chin mechanic shop. We get them car look on. Let me ask you something, Jamaicans. I know I'm telling you, say, my mechanic solid. But are some mechanic things serious at Jamaica? That's people that sleep outside a mechanic shop just to get them car look. People are messaging me and say, look at you, but you know, say, my car go mechanic. And now 3 weeks, me can't get my car. Be a story. So tell me I see my car drive on the road. It has to be studied. Are you telling me that Ironmanians are so traumatized by their local mechanics? That's man willing to sleep outside of Mr. Chin mechanic shop so he can get one early spot in the line in the morning? It has to be studied. So, there is an element of eliminating competition. Yes. And it can be from any angle, you know. I must say big wigs in the Ironman have mechanic shop, you know, and have dealership and they want to come fix them car too, you know. And Mr. Chin would be a competitor to them too. So don't just point the fingers them on the look of mechanic and say, oh look, I mechanic board and come together. You don't know where it come from. So there's an element of that. Absolutely. You can't convince me say this is not a case of people seeing say, hold on, all them man that get so much business. We could try to see if we can find something and shut them down. Because that's how Ironman work. And it don't surprise me, Mr. Chin. If you're an Ironman and you come out with something where you change up the game and you then call it disrupting the market. If you disrupt the market, then man can make two calls that because they have links in the tax office, they have links down on NHT, they have links down on Water Commission, JP, they have something where they can find some rule and some policy to get you out. So we know these things happen. So with all that said, I'm not sorry for Mr. Chin. I don't. You know why I don't sorry for Mr. Chin? You know why I don't sorry for Sung Hung? Because the argument that, yeah, but the money must work and I make a living, and I make an honest living, so then for just left the money alone. Let me ask you something, Irish Saxon. When Jamaicans go foreign, US, Canada, UK, Cayman, Germany, France, Buzungung. When Jamaicans go foreign countries business wanna work hard and make a living. If them hold your hand on the papers, warm to you get what the duck get. That's how it work, guy. Nobody no business how honest you want to be in a Canada. Nobody no business how hard working you want to be in America. If you're not on the papers, guy, head on down to Heist. Good luck. Why should Mr. Chin be held to a different standard? I am alone want to feed family. Many Jamaicans go America, go Canada, go England, go all kind of places, and them not chop no line, them not push the head coat, them not rub nobody, and then get catch or work sometime in some work where the foreigners them don't even want, guy. Man that foreign, I wash our plate. My Uncle Sam hold him and say, hey boy, we are the wash plate, and on the papers, back to Ironman you go. And there wasn't no big long line like how Mr. Chin did I get. I'm not losing no sleep. If Mr. Chin want to work in an Ironman, then Mr. Chin must get his documents and get him thing legit and treat Jamaica like how he treat America. Because if him go America and UK as him playing land, him sort out him documents. Because him said him place there somewhere. So him have to go follow rules and policies. Him thinks that Canada are somewhere. So him go Canada, he make sure same papers good. And if him papers not good and he get catch him say, well boy, I saw a thing go here, man. Well, guess what, Mr. Chin, I saw a thing go here, man. Long time me I telling us all kind of undocumented workers in Jamaica. Undocumented, illegal. When you love go like Jamaica or somewhere, and that me realize enough on the Irish Saxons, when you go like Jamaica or somewhere, anybody must just turn up and to them willing for work, them for just go work. And I say it work the other way around. Jamaicans don't get for just go where they want to go and choose, well, me willing for work, so me go work. And I say it work. Right now, if you want to wash plate in a New York, man, I say where your papers they cause man don't want to deal with ice, and man don't want to deal with Trump, and man don't want to deal with this. Mr. Chin have him family, yes. But the same argument apply for thousands of Jamaicans who go foreign and hustle a thing with no papers, get catch, and get sent back to Ireland. But the business say you have no family for feed. Man, I tell you, say, yo, you're in a country, you need papers to work in a country. Jamaica is a country. I know it's hard for enough of the Irish Saxons accept that Jamaica is a country. Because you know, have it now in the background, you look at Irish Saxon brain. So when you go other places, then policies matter, law matter, rules matter, right? Immigration status matter, but in a Jamaica, big free for all. Matter of fact, that was the big appeal for Jamaica. It's a big free for all. Enough of them foreign guys in Ireland, them not have no papers and them not have no intention of getting any. The only problem is Mr. Chin's success come back and bite him. Mr. Chin viralness go back go bite him. Which part in a Uncle Sam place you can set up one shop, one mechanic shop, as an Ironman with 10 Ironmanians are working there and none of them now have no papers. Big sign, big business place with big parking lot put up. And you think the ice now come circle that? When them circle it and the Jamaicans them get catch with no papers, what they say? Well, them should have sort out themselves because what them take this thing for? Them should have focused on the immigration, all kind of chatting. But now man I tell them about, well, poor Mr. Chin, woe is me. Woe is Chin. I'm not losing no sleep. What Mr. Chin take this thing for? Show Jamaica the same respect you show other places, guy. You don't bring 10 a little duppy about them. Come just throw in a place, so. Who is who? We don't know who is who. Get them papers right. Get them work permit. Put them out in the marketplace. And then if Jamaicans choose to go there, so, over there, so, then we can ball. But people, whether they're from Asia, North America, wherever they want to come from, people have to realize that Jamaica is a country. People never know before, now know Jamaica is a country. All these years, guys from Europe and all kind of places just dropping the Iron Man, stay as long as they want, do what they want, they can but not run back at them, but not chase them down and dig up them papers. And like when, as soon as Jamaicans go certain foreign countries, them start come under all kind of scrutiny from the locals. Does he have his papers? Do you know his immigration status? Them have all kind of things they want to hold upon. But because Jamaicans frightened and full over foreigners, especially Billy Joe, when them see man in a place, right, them see man a walk on for 3 years, they don't know nothing. Them see man just a work, man just a start business, no questions, no asks. So, Mr. Chin's success come back, come bite him, yes. No Iron Man run, somebody say, yo, you know, see Chinese man what they call the whole life business dog, yo, you can't find out, you can't hold him for, and then end up finding something. But the sitting where they hold him for is not something we can overlook. No, we're not going to overlook immigration status, guy. A country like Jamaica where almost thousands of men get deep. You think we're going to feel sorry for China man because you don't have the papers? Get your papers, guy. Can Jamaicans go to China and work without papers? Can 10 Jamaicans go to China, go Guzungung and Shenzhen Hing and set up mechanic shop and work in a China without papers? And Mr. Chin hold him and talk about, well, I just train him hardworking, so I'm not even too pressuring because him hardworking and nobody cares, guy. Where your papers there? Old time Irish Saxon coon days done, guy. Right now, you're going to treat Jamaica exactly like how you treat foreign. The same way you make sure your documents them in order when you go foreign, and someone want to make sure some documents them in order when you go Ironman. And let me tell you something, guy. History has proven that Mr. Chin don't play short game. Mr. Chin don't play short game. Let me explain something to you about Mr. Chin. You have different countries and different attitudes towards how them do them thing. Europeans, especially back in the day, set off on a voyage with them boat and them army run up in their place. Who dead, who injured, talking no more. My place this. So them do it back in the day. Nowadays they don't really have the means to do it. I don't think it's because they're so righteous and woke now. I don't think they have the means to do it. European countries are not as powerful as they used to be. That's Portugal, Spain, UK. Back in the day, these were some of the most powerful places in the world. Nowadays they can't tell nobody none. So they have to build. But that's how them used to do it. America have several approaches. They can try buy you out directly, or they can bomb you to smithereens and tell us to go suck you more. But somehow, they might try to get for them way. But what history has taught us is that Mr. Chin is a smooth operator. When Mr. Chin are running upon your thing, him not come in a rifle in a hand, him not come in a ship full of sailors. Him not come in a 500-pound bomb. He's coming with a handshake. And by the time you realize what happened to you, it's too late. Let me say one more time. Mr. Chin don't come with bombs and guns. Mr. Chin come with a handshake. And by the time you realize what's happening to you, it's too late. If you look around the world, you'll realize most countries have a daddy. They either have a Western daddy or an Eastern daddy. And Western daddy is either the United States or maybe UK or one of them places. And them Eastern daddy is normally Russia or China or one of them places. Even in Africa. Now for the African countries them that are being spouted as modern day black revolutionaries, the truth is all them do is change from white daddy to China daddy. Let me say one more time. Many of these African countries that are now being people some kind of miracle and they're turning it around and they might get rid of the West, they might push out the West and I open them doors to the East. That's not independence. That's not the vision of people like Marcus Garvey. We just change daddy from white daddy to Chinese daddy, or from American daddy to Russian daddy. That's not the vision for Africa and black people. It's not. At the end of the day, all them do was change daddy. And the daddy with them change though is a much smoother daddy. A daddy with a 50-year, 100-year game plan. A daddy that knows they will be around long after the current leaders them gone. And at them time they them will sit who is who. So enough things I admire about enough of the country them in Africa right now. But when you look beyond the surface, because enough of the leaders them have said the right thing. Well, if a symbolic gestures are happen, look good. I like it. When I look beyond the surface and look on the wall, and Mr. Chin miss around it. And Mr. Chin knows that if you keep making certain things, he need natural resources. And who have natural resources? Africa. And Mr. Chin knows that the history of Africa and Europe and Billy Joe is that them go in with a hard hand, rifle, gun, brute force. Mr. Chin realized that him can't take that approach there. Here's my hand, Negro. Let's shake and be friends. But him have a 50-year plan, a 100-year plan. Because the raw material Mr. Chin need to put in him phone them and him battery them and them thing them come from Africa. And if you think Mr. Chin enter any deal with any African leader, where that African country can get the upper hand and the better deal than China, link me for a unicorn. So most countries have a daddy. The whole thing spooky about Iron Man is Iron Man have two daddies. Yeah, most countries have a side. Most countries have a straight up side. America and the West, my thing there. Next country say Mr. Chin or Russia, my thing there. Jamaica play both sides. I already made a video on this back in the day. Iron Man come like some bad girl who take two gunmen from two different ends. She take one man from Klansman and one man from one other. So Jamaica state. Jamaica very close to China and very close to America. Jamaica take the two of them things. Jamaica sneak off and two of them at 9 times. Vile! Stay no one next jacket pitney. No wonder we lead the world in a jacket. It has to be studied. Anyway, Mr. Chin. And then me Badminddddddd if you shop here and then me make the call. And then me make the call and inform you. Somebody force me. Somebody force me. But get in the documents them right. Get in the permit right. Show Jamaica some respect. Patreon squad big up on itself. PIA, you don't know. More life. Ultra squad. Stay circling. Bless.